Yeah. We invest time no day. First of all, as everybody in agreement, no bless I don't get respect. Julius, I'm going to follow greet you too. I don't have any story to tell. Everything I follow them experience with you. But you know, you and I'm the first son of the family. You know. So, God forbid, but you don't say anything happen and me go collect your property as a first. Politicians, me and they complain about Nigerian musicians, they are the worst liars in this full life. This one have a song, they sing, Cotonou boys want to quack, no problem. London boys too, they want to quack, no problem. We are not doing our own, say Indian boys, no, we cannot quack with Indian people, they will chop garlic. We cannot quack with them at all. One of them, they talk like, that's why I like the video. They don't know really how they talk true. When you sing for that song with facts, I get $2 million, not the asset, that is a liability, you owe money. He sing for them now, 30 billion for the account, you don't mention the currency, now Indonesian rupiah. $1 is over 30,000 Indonesian rupiah. So that means that like $13,000 right in the account. Only I might talk to, I could tuku. That means that you said, now me do you get. No be like that whenever they like for us, I get big cassava. When we see picture and tapioca we see. I don't like life for my life. That techno, I like techno, but music they confuse me. Only I may sing, Nepa, don't bring light, Nepa, don't bring light. Generator, what tear my head? Offer now, offer. For your check for them on one light, they never pay your bill. I like people from the east. You want people, how are you? You want Kwano? Riano? Muano? Roto? You know, me, I'm married from the east. And like I said, I'm from no man from the east. I don't know someone wicked like that for marriage. My father-in-law, I'm born again man. But when it reach time to give me this, he keep born again one side. Give me this, they like exam syllabus. Second different people, the elders, the Muslims, everyone. Terrible. But women, when they try it, when they small, they always tell us behind every man there is a woman. Now when they hear beside every man, they don't change position. If we not hold them, next 5 years we are in front. And you know what's funny? Because one thing that she don't do like this, that's a man. Instead of you to be governor and your wife come be governor. Then when your wife they go, you road, you school, security, meet economic meeting, you are first gentleman. What will not be going? Children birthday party, children's day, end of year party, Catholic women organization. Before you know, we don't die apart from money. You know, but where are we supposed to take over? We are not to take over. Gynecology. I don't know about for this long, but for Nigeria, 75% of gynecologists are men. It's painful. Woman, when you marry with your hard-earned money, you not drive in your hard-earned car. And go and put on top bed of another man called gynecologist. You know what they do, say they find your kid. At the end, they will go still pay. It's bad. When they walk on my pikin like this, now so people be the advice me that time, take your wife to teaching hospital. You know the teachers do like school. But I don't go see my uncle when we did teaching hospital before. When you get kidney problem, the consultant they come with like 17 students. So when they call the meet my uncle, Mr. Walker, how you doing? He said, I'm fine. He said, how is it doing you now? This chest is spinning me. Students, when the chest is spinning him here, what does it mean? Yes, you check. It means that the psychogram of the psychogram is now collecting with the Instagram diagnosis. So no problem. So I can't say myself, okay, I want my wife one more. I live along almost 12 hours. Different doctors, they come, they will look folder. Where I'm looking. Another doctor will come. But force it. By the fourth doctor, now follow where I'm looking. I said, my brother, anywhere you put, I put for your body. Show me what you find my help. That's not to do like that. So that's why I'm my wife for teaching hospital now. collect number, especially if you go back. Consider the sales there for the band and find it. You go there, they drink beer, till closing time. You're going to that young man, one of my guys, that's what they do. Until one day you go fast food, Mr. Pigs. They let us alcohol. Now rice and chicken, no. My guy is standing there, chop meat pie, chop fish. Drink yogurt. Buy ice cream. And the manager coming down, my brother was soon die. Which of them know my word? Tell me, I don't want me to die for you. I take your money. Show me who you want. You know, man, we don't put ourselves under unnecessary pressure. Not only they don't say there's ahead, this artist again. They say there's recession. Since this recession starts for Nigeria, you don't notice that when they say artist picture of aeroplane again. That's like when they come down, they stay for business class. Lockdown coming through. These days now, you can just see the last post. The next studio for Lagos. The next day back, you don't see them for London. How did they manage to go? They don't enter economy quietly. And one thing they like about that, the people get airlines, it's very bad. They'll come make economy people pass to business class to feel bad about themselves. You never met before travel with your wife, then they post for your wife, say, baby, I'm taking you abroad. As they pass, you can't see your colleague. Nah, is that not your? The next your wife will ask you, is it not the same for people who are working? Why are we going to the back? And then of your stupid friends will come and show yourself, oh, we see today. And then CC, where you there? 78C, near toilet. You know what they pay me? For those of them who get money, no problem. But make my small children, they fly economy. If I see all those small children companies, I can beat them. I can see CCO, the business class. Yeah, they jump up. And they come on, sit down. That's them on the class. Sit down. You know how many years it took me to fly plane. And then also when you fly business class, you want to get one kind of air about yourself. One time like that, I come no, my family here, very veggie. So God is not beginning one carry me, put us in front of economy. That's business economy in my mind. So the front of the economy, the very first thing because of infant. So I want peace. I look back, the economy toilet fat. Front here, now business class toilet, just by my side. I don't want to stress myself. So I just slide in. Peace for the distance. So they come and the woman when they last thing. When they look me, they eye me. You know that guy eye like, why did you carry your economy piece to our business toilet? Disrespected. And this recession now, for Nigeria, recession is so bad, even people when they do blood money, they see money again. And no more when they don't go. If they go stand in front of this every morning, oh, give me money. The head will run for me, boom, 1,000 naira, boom. The guy go to something, oh, give me money. It's in there, boom, nothing they come on that head, boom. Before you know the head, you come. Yes, what's happening? Boy. You know, I don't play like a Nigerian people, they are stressed too much. If they come London here, come hide. If I be here, China will go, now will find me high. All those stuff when they travel, and the police now they invite themselves. Now they hello Germany. Do you have a conference on secondary school issues? Hey, I will come. Don't worry, I'll pay my accommodation. There's stress too much in this country. Yeah, but they run, no more problem. Then they talk about Nollywood here, Victoria Yama. You don't know where she is. You don't know Libya people like me. Oh, you make me here from. You know, so the only thing I don't like about Nollywood, I just want it, the trailer, the way they advertise those their movies. If you imagine a story where maybe a husband and a wife when they struggle together, then the husband can't make them, they can't get money, then the husband begin misbehave, they follow women up and down until one chopping money dry, come poor, then the wife now can't help the woman. Now this is the story and the title of the movie is A Woman's Command. If Hollywood, hello, white wood. One advertises sleep now. You will just see a story. When a man and a woman struggle together and they get to the point of affluence, what happens when the man strikes the woman in the wrong way? Will she forgive or will she let the law of retribution take its place? Find out. Woman's Gone. Come to October 2017. You're curious. When watch. When they got that story, come running where Victoria run live. You could just hear Shekwa raise a voice. Tony, he got married to Tonya. They were struggling together after NYSC. They even moved to Lagos and were living somewhere in Ajinule. One day, Tony was moving somewhere around Ikeja. As he was moving around Ikeja, he saw his old friend from university, Michael. Michael now works with Shell. Michael looked at him and said, Tony, it's been a long time. What have you been doing with your life? And Tony said, Michael, help me. And before you know, Michael gave Tony his card. And then before you know, he gave an NNPC contract. Before you know, Tony had a lot of money. As he had a lot of money, he built a house. Even moved to Lekki. Bought 3 cars, 1 Mercedes, 1 Toyota, 1 Mitsubishi, and a Sienna for the family. Before you know what happened, Tony started following different girls, like Esther, like Ijoma, like Ikaite. Ikaite in particular, from Akwa Ibom, was the one who ate his money and finished him dry, and they moved from Lekki back to Boshi. But fortunately, Tonya saved some money, so that money she saved, she used it to open a small saloon, and that saloon was what she used to help the family. This movie is called A Woman's Gone. Coming to you October. What do you remember to see from me? The problem of money is too much. Nigerian problem as a whole, too much. Nigeria is the only country where they will ask you nonsense questions. Unnecessarily. You never sit down for plane. Everybody don't sit down for plane before, unless you follow the account. But you don't sit down for plane for Nigeria, passport security, everything, and they fly down on that day. Air hostess say, damn, you're flying with us. I said, no, I'm waiting for Eric. I said, let me just sit here first, but it was stressing to meet them when they're coming from. I got one boy when they live with me before for Port Harcourt. That guy now crazy. But they ask stupid questions. I did bathroom, I won't bath, I don't see my towel. I shout, Tommy, bring my towel. He said, of course you bath. I said, no, I rehearse. Now I won't bath the original bath. The day I was in that boy in Chris, now the day he go message, I watch match, he come back, match not finish. He said, I want to not play finish. I said, yes. He said, what's the result? I said, 1-1. Huh? 1-1. That means they drop. I said, no. The other team scored 2. But as a team, we get the fear of God. Because they didn't give the other team 1. But this is too much. And again, the Nigerian problem is too much at all. And Nigerian girls too, they put pressure on men. That's why someone like take them, but they same big cassava, falling ball, but they here, shame when they cash you. People get university degree, get this thing, you now. It's bad. And I don't find myself, look, all those things, see men, they claim, they look proud. I stay on top woman 1 hour, I stay on top woman 2 hours. Now, unemployment, they do you there. And polo and everything, you can't see one way they like this. They can't put on the highest, longest stayer of the year. They put pressure on them, man. I don't find unemployment. Because see, I don't know where Dangote. They do something. I don't know Dangote. I don't know where Dangote they do something before. This is Dangote. Next rest is them. Turn around. Thank you. Sorry, my phone is ringing. Hello, Otedola? $6 million. Okay, make it 4.5. All right. 11 million. The next thing, as you want to arrive, need a shout. $40,000. Cool. But these boys, if now my sister, for ordinary 5,000 naira, you see somebody. Our fingerprint different. That's our ability different. But the ability to manage your own situation is where the problem lies. Every man has what is known as an arrival number. Every man. When you go to practice, when you go to day, follow this thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Till you do it 3 times, you get the average score. Like me, my own is 75. I need to complain. No, there's no stress. I need to complain. I know some people, they're on at 12. But the difference is how you manage your number. So, for example, my 75 now, when I reach venue, in my mind, I don't lose focus. I was like, oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So once I reach 72, 73, 74, I pull out and reset. Then I phone when you have reset. You come back again. 1, 2, 3. And then sometimes add some creativity to it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. You come back. Now for the women too, we have to walk together in this. We don't want to go along. So when you go home, practice too. So I guess we meet. The first thing I will ask you is, my dear, what's your number? When you tell me 300, I say, no problem, I'm 75. So you know what we do? Madam, start.